friends! Welcome back to our workshop. Today is a huge day. Do you see this? There is something massive hiding under this blanket. It's heavy, it's powerful, and it's finally here. Whoa, check this out. This isn't just any toy. This is a luxury RC bulldozer. Look at that gold and chrome finish. It looks like a real machine you'd see at a giant construction site, but it fits right here in our studio. Are you ready to see what this beast can do? Let's go! First, let's look at the details. Look at these tracks. They are made of solid metal. That means it can climb over rocks, sand, and even my Lego towers. Clink, clink, clink. Hear that? That's the sound of power. And check out the front blade. It's massive. This is called the blade, and it's used to push heavy dirt. In the back, we have the ripper. It looks like a giant claw, right? It's used to break up hard ground before the digging starts. But wait, there's more. This luxury version has working lights and even real engine sounds. Listen, vroom, vroom. It sounds just like the real thing. It even has a tiny seat inside for a driver. Who should we put in there? Maybe a tiny dinosaur? Okay, enough talking. It's time for a mega challenge. Can our luxury bulldozer move this mountain of dirt to make way for a new road? Let's find out. Look at that. The blade is going down and push. Wow, look at it go. It's so strong. It doesn't even slow down. This is what we call horsepower. Even though it's a model, it works just like the giant machines used to build skyscrapers and highways. Let's try the ripper in the back. Crunch! It's digging deep into the ground. Good job, Mr. Dozer. So how does it move? This remote control uses radio waves to tell the bulldozer what to do. One stick moves the tracks and the other moves the big blade up and down. It takes a lot of practice to be a professional RC operator, but it is so much fun. Machines like this are very important in the real world. Engineers and construction workers use them to help build the parks we play in and the houses we live in. Pretty cool, right? That was an epic construction day. This luxury RC bulldozer is definitely my new favorite. It's shiny, it's tough, and it's super fast. What should we build next time? A bridge? A giant sandcastle? Let me know in the comments. If you loved this big machine, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next adventure. Keep building, keep playing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends.